Portkeys BM7 2DS monitor. Overpowered? 7-inch 2200 nit beast for red, Sony, BMPCC shooters. Ever found yourself frustrated on set, wasting daylight fighting cheap, unreliable monitors? You know the type. Dim displays, impossible to see screens under sunlight, sluggish touch controls, and color accuracy that ruins your footage before post even starts. Sound familiar? Worse yet, constantly swapping batteries, juggling clunky setups, or burning precious shoot time fixing simple display issues. It's exhausting when your gear becomes your biggest bottleneck, killing your focus, draining motivation, and throwing you straight into creative paralysis when all you want is a clean, professional shot fast. Now crank that frustration up. Tight deadlines looming, talent waiting, light fading, and your current monitor still can't nail focus peaking properly. You're stuck with blown-out highlights, crushed shadows, and unreliable screen glare. Client breathing down your neck. Stress skyrockets. Burnout? Oh yeah. You're missing critical shots, losing valuable work hours, and watching your footage go from epic to amateur, all because your tools can't keep up. It's like filming with one eye closed. You're paying for pro work but stuck with hobbyist results. And deep down, you know it's your gear holding you back. Time for a serious upgrade. Meet the Portkeys BM7 2DS, a true 7-inch 2200 nit daylight viewable powerhouse. This isn't just a field monitor, it's your on-set secret weapon. With two SDI inputs, HDMI in and out, wireless camera control for red, Sony, and Blackmagic cameras, plus split-screen monitoring, the BM7 2DS gives you total control on set. And with 85% DCI-P3 color and accurate Rec. .709 monitoring, your shots always look exactly how they should, and 10-bit display deliver crystal-clear images even under blazing sunlight. Built tough and rugged CNC aluminum with advanced heat dissipation, this monitor doesn't just survive the set, it owns it. With the BM7 2DS, you'll unlock razor-sharp focus, buttery-smooth framing, and pro-level LUT monitoring, all from a sleek, responsive touchscreen. Monitor dual feeds simultaneously, control your camera wirelessly, and review shots with custom freeze-frame overlays. With professional tools like Waveform, false color, Vectorscope, and anamorphic D-squeeze at your fingertips, your workflow becomes seamless. Lightweight yet durable, this monitor handles real-world shoots like a champ. Whether you're shooting with a red Komodo, a Sony FX3, or a BMPCC 6K, the BM7 2DS upgrades your rig, making it smarter, faster, and seriously more pro. Ready to level up? Dive deeper to see why pros trust Portkeys. Thousands of serious filmmakers already made the switch. So what are you waiting for? Don't let mediocre monitors trash your next shoot. Order your BM7 2DS today, before stock disappears. Built for harsh environments, this monitor is trusted on real-world productions from commercials to indie films. With limited availability and massive demand, now's the time to act. Secure yours now, control your shots like never before, and join the elite crews dominating set life. Don't hesitate, seize your edge with the BM7 2DS today. Act fast, shoot smart, and win big.